In this video, I will explain what is a virtual machine. For that, I have a one diagram. Okay. For example, this is my local system. Or this is, for example, this is my laptop. Okay, and it has 10 GB RAM and 5 CPUs. Or when I'm using this laptop, I only use the I only use 7 GB of RAM. Okay, I use so I use 7 GB RAM and only 3 CPUs. Means this is this my system only has a 10 GB and I am only using a 3 CPUs and 10 GB RAM. It means I'm wasting a 3 GB RAM or wasting a 2 CPUs. Instead of wasting this resource, we can utilize this resource using using virtual machine. We can create the 3 GB RAM and 2 CPUs. We can create a virtual machine. So for creating virtual machine, we install hypervisor in our system. Install hypervisor. Using hypervisor, so we create one line. Using hypervisor, we create EC2 instance. One virtual machine in a local system with we only need 7 GB and 3 GB RAM for use, and we have we totally have 10 GB and this 3 GB RAM and 2 CPUs is here. Okay, we call it VM. This is a VM. So I'll explain again. This is my full total Uh, full my lap. It's my laptop. My laptop has 10 GB RAM and 5 CPUs. Okay, and I'm here wasting a 3 GB RAM and 2 CPUs. So instead of wasting those resources, we can create a situ instance and use for other tasks or someone else use this resource. Okay, so this is called as a virtual machine. This is a fully different with the fully different or fully isolated with the main system. For example, here I use Windows and here I can use Linux. Okay, this is fully isolated. I'll show you one diagram. You can see the diagram virtual machines. This is my fully system. In this system, I have a host operating system. It can be anything, and I install hypervisor. Using hypervisor, we can create virtual machines. So installing hypervisor on the main or local system, and then using hypervisor, we can create EC2 virtual machines. Virtual machines also called as a EC2 instance. So here you can see virtual machine 1 and virtual machine 2 and here virtual machine 3. In each of three machines, we can install different operating system. Like here I install Linux and here I use other distribution and here also I can use other distribution. Okay. In every virtual machine, I can also install a different applications. So utilize my full potential of my local system. Okay. Uh, VM have their own application and VM2 have different application and VM3 have also has a different application. It means using a virtual machine, we utilize our hardware fully. Okay. In this case, we have 10 GB and 5 GB. We are only using 7.3 or wasting 2.3. Okay. So using VM, we also utilize this. This is a concept of virtual machine. In terms of AWS, we call virtual machine as a EC2 instance.